This is the overview. It'll be very warm and humid tomorrow. A thunderstorm risk overnight tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, and then comfortable air starts to build in as we get into the second half of the week. It's 77 in Boston now. Dew points inching up. Was 59 late this afternoon. Now it's up to 64. So our temperatures won't fall too much more, a few more degrees. They're in the upper 60s to mid 70s now. Here are your overnight low temperatures. But the dew points are climbing through the 60s, and that's going to continue because we're seeing lots of 70-plus dew points just to our south and west, and that's what's going to happen here. So you'll certainly feel the difference tomorrow as the air will become very humid indeed. And then you add the heat, where it could approach or touch 90 in spots like Lowell and Lawrence tomorrow, about 87, 88 or so for Boston. It's going to be mid to upper 80s, Metro West out to Worcester County, as well as south and west of Boston, mid to upper 80s, and the Cape probably averaging right around 80 degrees for high temperature with a southwest wind. By the way, the winds will be stronger in the afternoon than the morning, so if you want to hit the beach, the morning will be a little bit more tranquil in terms of the wind. See how the wind starts to pick up? It also means the rip current risk will be higher in the afternoon than the morning, and the seas will start to build as well. All right, here's the deal. We've got a front with a few showers and thunderstorms, so now it's a matter of timing it. Because the air will be so warm and humid, a spot shower thunderstorm in a few spots could happen tomorrow afternoon. But the more widespread chance would be overnight tomorrow night and early Wednesday as this front approaches and then moves through the region. Here's a closer look at what I'm talking about. Notice not a whole lot of action. Spot shower, southwest Connecticut. Then we get to tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, at least in scattered nature, storms coming through. And if you're in an area that does get one, strong winds are a possibility. Lightning, of course, is the single biggest threat with this, as well as heavy rain, though the rain would likely be brief. All right, then we clear up nicely. It looks like nice weather builds in after that. All right, check it out as we look at the next 7 days. I want you to notice it turns cooler, especially for the weekend. Even a little touch of fall could be in the air. Nights especially will be chilly, but it does look like very, very nice weather. So there's your deal. Hottest day will be tomorrow. Highest humidity tomorrow as well. Humidity and temperature both gradually descending second half of the week.